Welcome to the Volza tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about the contact parser. Firstly, let's understand the concept of the contact parser. Contact parser is a feature in Volza that helps you get the contact details of any buyer or supplier. Apart from contact details, it also provides additional information, such as the LinkedIn profile, company website, and other related details, all in one place. To check the contact information of the person, click on your My Workspaces or can perform the new search. To check buyer and supplier name, click on Workspace Name, EG 1007. To find contact number, click on any shipper or buyer name, e.g. Kalp Impex Jalgun. You will be directed to the next tab, where you can view the company's address, social media links, website, LinkedIn profile, and contact information. To access contact details, click on Fetch Contacts from LinkedIn. This will display a list of names, and by clicking on any name, you can visit their corresponding LinkedIn profile and connect directly. When you place your cursor over Deepali Meta or any name, a pop-up window will be displayed. When the pop-up appears, click on View Phone, jar email. You'll then be able to see the phone number and email ID of that particular person. If you're unable to find any contact information, you can click on Manual Contact Request. Our backend team will then search for the details and provide the information if it is available. After clicking on Manual Contact Request, a pop-up will appear asking you to select the department for which you need the contact number. Simply choose the desired department from the list. Afterward, select the number of contacts you would like to request. After selecting the department and number of contacts, click on Manual Contact Request. Your request will be sent to our backend team, and it may take up to 48 working hours to provide the details if available. After submission, a pop-up message will appear saying, Manual Contact Requested Successfully. To check the status of your request, click on My Requested Contacts. This will take you to the My Requested Contacts page, where you can view all your submitted requests. Once you land on the My Requested Contacts page, you can check the status on the right-hand side. If the contact is available, it will show Click to View. If the request is still being processed, it will show In Progress. If the contact information could not be found, it will show Not Found. Beside the My Contact Request tab, you can check your saved contacts. Displays all the contacts you have fetched using the Fetch Contacts from LinkedIn option. That's a complete overview of how to find contact information of the buyer and supplier. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you continue exploring Volza to unlock powerful trade insights. Now, if you need more in-depth training, we've got you covered. Go to the home page, locate for Schedule a walkthrough option. Select a convenient date and time for your training session. Once that's done, enter your first name and last name. Then, fill out other details like your business email. Then enter your mobile number and the topics you need assistance with. Once you have filled in all the information, click on Schedule Appointment. Woohoo, there you have it. You're all set for your detailed training session. Thank you for watching this Volza tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to explore all the features.